everyone, I'm Anna from Craft Me a Card, and I like crafting for the crafter, and that is you. So today I just wanted to share that I decided to jump on the bandwagon with Beebeecrafts. I've been seeing a lot of fellow YouTubers make videos in collaboration with Beebeecrafts, and what Beebeecrafts is a crafting supply company. And all that they ask for is for you to have a YouTube page and have more than 100 subscribers. And all you have to do is contact them, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Contact them and let them know you are interested in the program. And they ask you to go onto their online store, create an account, add items that equal to $40 or less to the cart. And once you've added the items to the cart, you go back to them and you tell them, okay, I've added the items to the store. And they go ahead and approve them and they send them to you. And all they ask for you to do after this is done is create a video of you unboxing the items and then 2 additional videos using these items. So I thought that was pretty easy enough to do, and hey, $40 worth of supplies I think is pretty good. It's fair, and the good thing is that they have good items. They really do have good products. So yeah, come along as I go ahead and I do the unboxing in today's video, and then I'll have future videos that are showing, me using these items. All right. Alrighty, so this is the package from Beebeecrafts, and it came in this. I didn't know what it was because it didn't say Beebeecrafts until I opened it. I was like, oh, I know what this is. I recognized the string, and yeah, it's well packaged. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mute the sound of all this plastic, and I'm going to speed it up a bit. Okay, so here is the gold. I only ordered 3 items because this one package was over $17, and that's because they are dies. They are metal dies, and I am the metal die queen here. I love metal dies, so I couldn't pass the opportunity to get my hands on more so I can work on them. So just as I'm opening here the package, you could see it's quite a bit. There are various sizes and types of dies, and I love how they package this. It's really well packaged. So this is the first die here. I like this one. I don't have anything like this. Well, I have something similar, but not like this. And I love the stitch border on this one. And this hexagon also has the stitching around it, which I really, really like. This rectangle also includes the border, and this one doesn't. But hey, look, I got 3. I went ahead and I contacted Beebeecrafts and let them know that they accidentally put 3 in the bag, and they let me have them. Not cool when something like this happens to a vendor, but I think it's cheaper for them to let you have them than to pay for shipping to send it back to them, and they have to restock. So this is the bunch of metal dies that come in this bundle. I'm very content. Now these strings, I've been wanting this kind of string. I don't have something like this, and it comes in a variety of colors, and I like it because it's not too thick, it's not too thin, and I like how it holds the form. It doesn't fall apart once I set the figure. It has like a certain kind of shine to it, like, I don't want to say polyester, but it's a little shiny. It's not plastic, it's not silk, but it has like a certain little satin shine to it, which is quite interesting. And I like really all the variety of colors. I don't have to be buying different colors. And I see my favorite color here, which is this like mint color. So yeah, I am very happy with this purchase, kind of, sort of, right? And this I'm super excited about because these are little knit beanies like. They're little hats, little beanies. And I thought it was so cute, and I have an idea for a Christmas card that of course I'm going to be sharing with all of you. And these just are very tiny. They are small. As you can see here, I could fit them over my fingers. I'm sure my daughters are going to want some of these. But they're soft also. Like the kind of yarn that they used for these is very soft. It's very cute. I really do like these, and I'm excited for this card. So yeah, I like all the colors that it has. Nice variety. All right, so these are the 3 items here all together. And go ahead and check the link, and maybe you're eligible for doing this collaboration with Beebeecrafts. Okie dokie, well, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, hit the little bell so you can get notifications next time I upload a video. Always comment and like. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you craft, and I hope you are happy. See you next time. Beebeecraft. Okay, let me start over again. Blah, blah. Oh, no. Let me start over again. As always, if you haven't... Chewy!